Well, good morning to you. Welcome back to Flat Gap Farm. It is processing day here on the farm. We have 55 meat birds that we're going to be processing today. So we're going to give you 5 tips to make your processing day more successful. Out here this morning, getting a head start before everybody wakes up, getting the scalder ready, moving the chickens into place. It's almost go time. Processing day is all about being efficient, making sure that all your stations are nearby. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to restrict the feed of your birds for 24 hours prior to processing. So these birds right here have not had food for the past 24 hours. They've had water and we moved them on grass. But what that does is it helps keep the crops clean and their digestive system cleaned out, so you have a much cleaner processing experience, which means less pooty poo.
So kind of open up. The tube is easy to separate first. Now up and to the right, you're going to get the crop out.
And your second tip is to add dish soap to your scalder water. The dish soap, a lot of people recommend Dawn, helps break down the surface tension of the water, which allows the water to penetrate through the feathers. This helps get them ready for the plucker.
Good scalders when the tail feathers come off. Easily, just like that.
Your third tip is going to be rent a plucker. Now you can pluck chicken feathers without a plucker, but this is going to save you so much time and effort. It is worth renting. Good. Ooh, that's a good pluck. How do you do?
Sure. Looks really good.
Your fourth tip sounds like an obvious one, but sharp knives. Man, this is the key. We love the Dexter 6-inch boning knife. They are absolutely fantastic when you're going to cull the chickens and when you're going to piece them out. If you have older ones, definitely want to have a sharpener as well.
Just enter code Spotify10 under add invite code.
Ever wonder where B&B comes from?
Rather
comes from?
You don't want. Thank you. Yeah. Good.
And your fifth tip is to add white vinegar into a small cooler of water, and we call it a pink bath. This starts the sanitation process, helps to keep them clean and make sure that there's no bacteria or anything starting to grow before you add it into the big cooler. It just helps to keep your chickens cleaner. And here's a time lapse of our 3-hour chicken processing. Stay tuned till the end to get the bonus tip. All right, so we just finished up processing all the 50 birds, and now we're gonna give you a bonus tip. Build a drying stand. Now, I made a short video on how to do this and I'll attach it above, but this really helps to dry them off before you bag them and tag them and get them ready to sell. And there you go, shrink wrapped, getting the labels on them, and they're ready to go in the freezer. And there you go. Processing day is complete. We're finishing up packaging our poultry, 5 tips to help make your chicken processing a success, with a bonus tip here or there. And hopefully this was informative. If you like this, I've got a playlist I'm going to put at the end. You can click on that. How to raise your own chickens for meat. Plus, I've got a PDF linked below. You guys could check that out if you want the whole 8 weeks tutorial on how to do this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.